We're going to do a brief video on the S&P 500 technical analysis, and we've got an S&P 500 E-mini futures contract on here, and we've got a daily chart with a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day, and a blue 200-day. S&P closed up today 45 points, closed up at a high of 38.05 and a low of 37.11. So that's not updated yet, but it's slightly above here. 38.05 is right about here, and 37.11 was not a new low. So just a slight little rally here, kind of what we expected. It looks like this low of 37.04 is going to hold, at least in the short term, and that's what we need to do to see this price move up. We need this price to come across here 2 or 3 days next week, maybe to Wednesday, and then start to head up here towards the 38.50 level, and hopefully it won't get too far ahead. As long as this price doesn't get too far ahead, we should get some decent movement up here probably towards the end of the week if we don't get a breakdown. If we get a breakdown, that's a whole nother deal. We're looking to make sure we don't violate this point right here, this 36.41, and now we're trying to hold this point, this 37.04. The object is to keep these higher bottoms, keep them coming, keep the higher tops coming until we can attack the 200-day moving average probably in the third week of November. That's what we're trying to do here in terms of a movement and get the S&P 500 up out of a bear market. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but I'm saying if that's going to happen, that's what's got to happen. This week's movement here, it looks a little heavy to me. I think it's just a hair heavy. You can see it closed. This is yesterday's close. Today's close is 37.72, which is up here. So we're still closing above the 20-day moving average, which is critical. You got to do that to maintain this little trend, and it has done that so far this week. So we'll see what happens next week. But my best guess for this moving into next week, starting Monday the 7th of November, is that we should push up here to about 38.50, and then we'll have to take a look at it Tuesday and see what's going on. Let's go down here and take a look and see real quick at what RBAM research says about it for algorithmically generated entry prices for Monday the 7th for SP 500. They are down here, right here. We have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day hold periods. So looking for some shorts tomorrow at 37.90, 37.96. So what it's looking to do is it's saying if this market sells down hard, there's a short opportunity. Of course, it's all for entertainment purposes only. Can't use our entry prices for anything other than entertainment. My commentary as well is only entertainment. You trade at your own risk and you have to do your own analysis. But having said that, for Monday the 7th of November, it's saying that if these prices break down hard, you can probably sell them hypothetically and make some money. So that's the way this is working. And these algorithms for the S&P 500 are really, really good. So again, you trade at your own risk and all for hypothetical discussion purposes and entertainment only. But it is an amazing system that you might want to come by and check out. You can do that for free every morning before 7 a.m. Come by 6 p.m. after 6 p.m. the night before, and you can usually get everything updated except for crypto, which is updates after 8 p.m. the night before. Free access, no credit card required. Link in the description below. And you can get access to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. Let's take a look at a beta data we have out here for the SP 500. It's going to be released here soon. What I've showed you is what we currently have on the website. This trend following is coming for the SP 500. I show it to you occasionally. It's got for Monday the 7th of November. It's got a buy at 38.05. So if the market does rally, this 30-day trend following system right here, 30-day hold, which means get in on the 7th, get out at the end of 30 days or at a loss, or take your profits as soon as you get them, showing a buy for the SP 500 at a rate of 37.05. And then this is also an intraday support and resistance for the SP 500. If you're a day trader, the SP 500 just gives you support and resistance points for the SP 500 that are just fantastic. These are the support points starting at 36.90 and down. And the way this works is you would concentrate here, and that's obviously very low, but that's where you'd concentrate. And then on this one, you have to be careful. In general, you have to be a good day trader to use this, and again, you use it all for entertainment purposes only. But you start here on the supports, because usually this is going to be too far to come into play. But the further it goes, the deeper it goes, the higher the probabilities are, hypothetically, that you have a chance of having a good trade. You have to be a great day trader to use any of this stuff, and of course, it's all for entertainment purposes only. You trade at your own risk. But that's all coming out soon on our pay system. The information I showed you earlier, you can get under the silver plan, which is free and available every morning by 7 a.m. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have a ticker symbol or a security, a currency, or a futures that you want us to do a technical analysis chart on, please leave this symbol and a brief explanation. Just give us the name of it so we know what you're talking about. And if we can, we'll do an analysis on that so everybody can take a look.